Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will show you how to connect with your business partners, for example, suppliers or customers, in BabtecQube in order to exchange quality data across company boundaries. Connecting with business partners can be done at different points in BabtecQube. The easiest way to connect with your business partners is via the dashboard, where we are currently located. Alternatively, connections can also be established via your company starting page or the business partner management. You can connect with your business partners in the BabtecQube via the Connect with Business Partner tile on the right side of the dashboard. You have to distinguish whether your business partner is already in the BabtecQube or has not yet registered. If your business partner is already in BabtecQube, you can use our search function to make a contact request. To do this, enter either the name of the company or its unique BabtecQube ID. After the business partner has confirmed your contact request, quality data can be exchanged. If your business partner is not yet in BabtecQube, you can send an invitation. To do this, first click on Invite Business Partner. Then enter the email address of your contact at the company you would like to invite to the BabtecQube. Of course, you can also invite several partners at the same time. To do this, simply enter several email addresses. Use the language selection to determine the language in which the invitations are to be sent. To send the invitations, click on Send Invitation once again. All sent invitations are displayed on the second tab. This way you can always keep track of which invitations have been accepted or are still open. The contact person on your business partner side will now receive a personalized invitation to the BabtecQube via email. By clicking on the Register button, he or she starts the registration process. Registration in the Babtec is free of charge for the contact person. If the contact person is already registered on the BabtecQube, it is possible to accept the invitation without registering. Your contact must now follow the onboarding instructions and register by entering their name, email address, and desired password and confirming the terms of use. If they use the same email address for registration to which the invitation was sent, the email address has already been confirmed. In a next step, the contact person must create a company account for their company in BabtecQube. All that is required is the entry of a company name. Optionally, address data or a company logo can be complemented. Clicking on Create Company creates the new company account for your business partner. The newly created company account is directly linked to your own company account, and you can start exchanging quality data with each other. Optionally, they have the option to add a picture to their user profile, as well as information about their position and department. Clicking on Continue to BabtecQube completes the onboarding process. The business partner administration is part of the administration of your company account. As an administrator, you can access the administration area via the cogwheel next to the currently selected company. The menu item Business Partners lists all business partners that are connected to your company. In our case, we are directly connected to the inviting company. If you have already connected your company with many business partners, you can also use our search function to quickly find a specific business partner. By clicking on the respective business partner, you can view further details. If you have terminated the business relationship in the meantime, you can, of course, also cancel the connection in BabtecQube. As a result, no new quality data can be exchanged between the companies. Data that has already been jointly processed will remain unaffected. Thank you for your interest.